Pay your annual charges for Zerodha, India's prominent brokerage firm. Follow these steps. Log into Zerodha console. Access Zerodha console using your login credentials. Navigate to account. Once logged in, go to the account or profile section. Use subscription charges. Look for the subscription or annual charges related to your Zerodha account. It might be under the subscription or membership tab. Check payment details. Review the annual charges or subscription fee displayed. Ensure it aligns with the expected amount for the services you're subscribed to. Choose payment method. Select your preferred payment method. Zerodha typically allows payments through net banking, UPI, debit cards, or other available options. Enter payment information. Input the required payment details, such as your bank account details or card information. Confirm payment. Review the entered details for accuracy. Confirm the payment to initiate the transaction. Receive confirmation. After successful payment processing, you will receive a confirmation message or email. Save this confirmation or take note of the transaction ID for your records.